Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Waynesville Inn Golf Club, Trademark Collection by Wyndham. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Waynesville Inn Golf Club, a Trademark Collection by Wyndham, is centrally located in the historic mountain town of Waynesville. It is undergoing an extensive renovation in 2022, but all available guest rooms are newly renovated. Every room at Waynesville Inn features 50-inch cable TV work desk, clock radio with USB chargers and balcony or patio views of the golf course, under renovation, and mountains. Historic downtown Waynesville is a 2-minute drive, the Blue Ridge Parkway is a 5-minute drive, Lake Junaluska is a 10-minute drive, and Cherokee, Asheville and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park are 30-minute drives. During the renovation, the golf course, pro shop, pool, fitness facility, meeting rooms and restaurants are not available. However, the inn's newly renovated guest rooms and location make it a great home base for all the things to do in the mountains of western North Carolina. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.